To create a new page into your project, simply click on the Pages button on the left middle. There you see all the different folders that you have, all the pages inside, blog, online store, pop-ups, and funnels if you have such. So to create a new one, simply click on Add New and click on Page. There you will see the different type of designs that we have created for different types of pages. So you can click on any of them and it will be added to your project. You can obviously filter by the different categories on the site. So you can decide what type of page you want to create. So when you add a new page, obviously you have to keep in mind what exactly are you trying to achieve with that page. That's why we've categorized them into different sections. So if you are trying to do something of a lead generation, you can use the lead generation type of pages. And all you have to do is you can preview it obviously, or just select it by clicking on it. Add some name to the page and add it to your design. And just like that, we've added a new page. Obviously you can delete any section that you don't want from that page to display onto your either a website, a funnel, a landing page, whatever you're trying to build. It is added to your in this case into your website, and you can now start modifying it. Just as before, you can adjust the margins, adjust the colors, edit the texts, edit the forms, and anything that you want you can do, have full freedom. The great thing about the page designs is that you don't have to build them all by yourself. As you can see, it's very well made, so you can use some of the sections that you want to use, and yeah, very simply you can have a fully grown page into your site in just a matter of seconds even. So you can add your own sections, delete the ones that you don't want, and organize it like this. So again, when you're building a page, keep in mind what is the exact goal that you're trying to achieve. So if it is like in this case something of the main idea is to fill in a form, you have to keep in mind that this is your main goal, so you have to focus on that. People getting to sign up your fill in your forms, educate them, and again at the end probably again ask them to fill in a form or have some call to action. Also, it is great to have the same style designs throughout your design, as it is if it is the same project, the same funnel, the same website. It's nice to use the same fonts, the same colors, and general style guides for your design to be consistent. So in this case we have the green one, the green theme for the website, so you can just change all the colors to the global ones, and yeah, to make the website more consistent, the pages more consistent. So this is how you build new pages. Obviously you can create your own from scratch if you desire. You have an empty option, or you can just use one of the templates that we have here. If you want to clone an existing page, simply click on the three dots next to the page, and then you have the duplicate option. That will create an exact copy of the page that you're duplicating, and you can start editing it for to make it a different version or different type of page that you want to use into your project. So this is how simple it is to create a new page. Again, keep in mind that always it's nice to have nice spacing, keep the blocks that you want, or add new ones from the block sections here, and yeah, just build an amazing pages for your needs. And in the next one I'll show you how to build your first pop-up. Cheers.